What is going on, guys? We're back behind the camera. As you can see, we got something new behind us, the new winter beater. So yeah, this is my new car. It's a 2003 Audi A4 Avant. It's pretty cool. I drove 11 hours to Indiana to pick this thing up for like 2,500 bucks. It's got like 190,000 miles on it, 120 on the motor, completely rebuilt, fresh gaskets and everything. Yeah. Obviously in the wonderful land of Minnesota, as you can see all this snow, it's probably like 30 degrees out. It's a nice day today, but the GTI was not going to cut it in the snow. So I had to make amends, and I thought this would be the Swiss Army knife of a vehicle that's fun, I can get through the snow. It's what I wanted, and it's kind of rare to see an Avant with the 180 in it. So I went for it and I pulled the trigger, and now here we are. Nothing special. She's a little rough around the edges. This winter I attempted to wrap the whole car in a Nardo gray wrap. I don't know if you could see in the videos, it did not turn out very well. So someone out there that's got some Nardo gray wrap or a connection through a company, hit me up, because I would love to wrap this thing and maybe do a little bit of promotion for the company. But yeah, so far I've wrapped the car, I redid all the brakes, painted the calipers yellow because I thought it would look good with the Nardo. We've done just a cheap intake, boost gauge. I got a catless downpipe in the back of my car, upgraded diverter valve, and some lowering springs. And that's really all that I want for it. I know a lot of guys are like, KO4 swap it or tune it. I'm like, I don't know, I got a fun car, but this is not the car that I want to have fun with in a sense of going fast and making power. So we'll see what happens. I don't know if I'm gonna sell it. I don't know if I'm gonna give it away. That would be pretty cool, a giveaway car with this thing. That would be sick. But we'll see what happens. I really wanted to show you guys this. Haven't been on behind the camera, neither have I really been posting any YouTube videos. And I figured this is something new, something we can maybe make some more videos with. Definitely want to get some more drifting videos when she snows, but we'll see what happens. I guess I'll just do a little roller cruiser video with this thing, and we'll sign off there. It'll be a short, sweet little video, but you guys want it, I got you. Pick this thing up on eBay. So yeah, let's get right into it. Just like that, we got the stock one.